14 billion smartphones. 14 billion of these devices, meaning about 2 for every human being currently living on this planet. While the inventor of the cellular phone back in the 80s stated that it would never replace the landlines, while it was too expensive and it would not occur in our lifetime. The inventor is still alive. So you can be wrong about your invention, but mostly you're wrong on the too positive side, unlike Marty Cooper, who was wrong on the negative side. And that can lead to many frustrations. I'm collecting those, and if you want to give me your frustration, you can send it in a direct message. I will send you this book, 7 mistakes to avoid in protecting your invention. So if you have some things that you want to share with me, you can get this book, and there's lots of tips in how to avoid the biggest mistakes you can make in protecting your invention.